Alright guys, the last thing we're going to do in this section is to find out what orthogonal means. So the definition of orthogonal vectors tells us that if the vectors u and v are orthogonal, if you find that their dot product is equivalent to 0. So it has to equal 0. So let's go ahead and dive right in. It says, are the vectors u, which is negative 12, 30, and v, which is 5/4 and 1/2, orthogonal? So let's go ahead and work this out. I'm going to blow it up so I have room. We have to take negative 12 and multiply it by 5/4 and add that to 30 and multiply that by 1/2. 4 goes into negative 12 negative 3 times, and it looks like I get negative 15. 1/2 of 30 is 15. So it looks like this is equal to 0, which means they are orthogonal. The term orthogonal and perpendicular mean essentially the same thing, that they're going to meet at right angles.